Hi, I'm Kelsey with Fork and Flair, and today I'm going to show you how to build a salami rose.
Start by getting this very narrow shot glass. I use these because it's a narrow top and it really works best for keeping your salami rose nice and tight. So go ahead, put your shot glass down and then take a single piece of salami. You're going to fold it over in half just along the rim. You're going to keep layering, moving your way around in a circle. Again, just single layer at a time. You're going to want to kind of pinch along the rim of the glass. Again, you can use a wine glass. That's a popular method. However, I find that using a narrow shot glass really keeps everything nicely layered. So once you've done your first layer of meat going around, you can go ahead and add a second layer, and you'll see as we move around here, it gets thick. You can kind of pat down as well, keeping it nice and firm and in place. So moving it along, you're going to go ahead and keep on going. When you feel like it's nice and narrow in the center, flip it over. Go ahead and pull the shot glass out. And it should look something like this. Now you'll see there's some space here, and I'm going to show you how to fill that in. Stack two pieces together, place them on your cutting board, take a knife and cut them in half. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it gives you 4 pieces now. Now you're going to be able to take these semicircles and you're going to fit them in to make things just that much more full. And you'll see that you can kind of layer it in between slices of meat. So it looks really nice. So it looks like it's a lot more petals and it's kind of full towards the center. It's also a nice idea if you wanted to do different kinds of meat. We've done this with both salami as well as pepperoni. Here's the final product. Hope you enjoyed.